Alright, tena chicken makumia nemwe sana bombo rishaina zaka sheni yanakongera kubatangira mu program muhumza burwakana natubati no mweshe muzuyanga kandi tubageza opereta bana bitu baha au kugira ngo tubase kugira au twabatera kaganja kandi bagire abo abasafari community kwatere no kweshongora okutambuza ikiconco cyabo icyonka Radio West icyo nicyo kituri kubanzaho kandi kugira ngo abana aba buzima nabo base kurwo mu idara baze umurinda omu studios twine none other than Pretty Ima. Katwa kwachira Pretty. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm very good. You're fine. I can see you're very, very fine.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Why are you fine?
I'm fine. I'm really fine. Beyond health-wise, I'm fine. Mood, Kali, mood yanjye okay.
Echachira kushemeze lizoba nichi.
Kaweza kankora kuri.
Ano kurara njye uvuririje no ikirigero umuntu wakabari mwe ushanga mukashisho yicirira yindi
yeah
so
nirakuronse shemwe
nanye tinishonga nanye nakana kushemere bo bari kuri ko studio za Radio West da makobwe
ninge nakira kandi nanye nashaka ko bandiya ko Radio West
kicanshemeza no kundo kumubiri azame ngumje gwadi for us we deal with time so we were kumubiri.
Yeah, I really wanted the invite. Yes. So now you know kujom time. Kandi nabantu babantije so sure.
I know they are happy.
So nakwenda disappointing.
Yes.
Yeah.
So about takwenda abo kuba ko kubura nyunyi jambe unga matu twatwire kuba twine critical kayabura tini maicha. So ni nuka. So how is life? Amagaragaragata.
Life is really good. Tingine sho ngamazima.
Yes.
Like the whole of every but I'm very fine.
Okay, better than you second
Mpora.
Yes. How do you how do you survive? Because I
own a salon.
Okay.
Yeah. CEO.
You're
the salon.
You're the CEO of studios. This is great.
I'm a boss lady.
Okay.
Yes. I'm a salon. Kasingenge. Kakoboko. Is it Kakoba division? Yes. I'm in the salon. Kasingenge. Yes. Umulimbara nabonyiziremo nabonyiziremo mulimbara nibwentangire gukora mukonka I've been working with ndiyo bya salon
utino koraka
ambe nintura Kampala
okay
onka hati nkadecide mukurgayo naja kanga to wit
batereka zo wit kuno yano zaronga
nizabo mu Kizinda Busheng district Ishaka Kizinda
uzarwo mwami no mukali no mcharo ha
nzarwa omchara ngamuta Aneti Yegarire. Unfortunately, my dad passed on. Yes. Yes. Yeah, of course I miss him so much. Yes. But nkafuna chance elder sister wanje akaba yashwirwe. Yes, akaya shuru so yantwara. Now the husband treated me like a daughter. Yes, so
abashija abantu bakira abinje na department bakira kwenda kugira kubala.
I know. Nzoperera ko natangire kuba muhango munambuza.
Sasa yatanga ko yongera mu.
Na kuba temptation na argayi.
Indeed. Abo bare kurakwa kama gakuyamba warakwa kusiga ho muzaro. Abo wiro wigera kukira kufera.
Yeah.
Yes. So okukora kwawe okushoma no byona nwe yakwasira mkono?
Yeah. Na kankwata mkono nawe yakahia actually of course with the help of my mom kuba however nkanta kupura nawe but nawe akaino chiyabe nakora cyane. So bamse hibampize nanye nayongerayo nanye nayiseri nayikize atembe mimiko.
So saloni wadishomisi?
Yes.
So music na numero mogwawe. Kutambira bita yinechi basi ku affecting the style chacho.
Actually music na numero mogwanje nikwataga nabo nshonga. Most of the gigs zinkufuna zembaga nizifuna abo kugira ngo nifuna umugore nza gukora akimanya ngo ndiyo mushonga njya tebiwa shonga.
So byona bigendo mu rugo.
So been tinkutambulira ku mazima nindende rukwatagana mu kace
Okay.
ka connection yeah
Ndiara watandika music.
music nkatitandika nkiri muto but officially kugira ngo hatukankore music pantaisa radio west yeah that is 2018
Wow, serious.
yes
What inspired you to music? Ambition is
omukyala ko my inspirational lady ne Juliana Kanyomozi niwe nkunda munonga however tiwe nkweshongera nkabi I just love her. I don't know when ngeshongera nkora
uko bano tukana nakiri kweshongora niza kugendera umutoni yogo mwana ni nkuru kwa kutambuza giki
hati nyawuti ngunda kweshongora nka however ninyenda ntamburo nkunda Juliana Kanyomozi the her personality ngikunda munonga but tinkwenda ngishongora nkawe kuba wona ureba she's this woman naterayo hati anyway buriya kana ishongora but omyaka days hati natero bwayenze I don't want to do that konka ngikunda personality and because of her nebyara biremo na good na inspiring
kunuya on western hariyo umushongezo bano mukicyaba n'usigazo utona show yaba ni ngo mu rubaju ni mani impurura ko ime bodyguard ni impurura mwene wo kwese imsongesho zabako
Jack Kaziri
nomkunda uchi Jack Kaziri
nawe ni nkunda wa personality yeah she's a darling nomkazi birungi ni bagwine azadere nakunda kwefura mama waje yes nantwara nkamuhara yeah actually kuna atansiro ko shongora abantu ko bamenye kuno muri mbara she invited me antwara out yanshtamsa yanja tinda Australia tini atabuja muri mbara ukoro so nimkunda mnongo
so yakuyaga
because at least among the artists raba chala she's the one yari the talent akenda ngo agiterezo muhando gushye yeah
okay ibishongora hato inenga bingagiye ku
ebyeshongere biri out hati ni bitano yes then ebyo mu studio ni byingi
so you know kesha yona ngo
yes
twine Pretty Imak mu studios kandi turiyongera nantuganira nawe ahabite kwate n'urugero rwo music na namagaraje kubemerire abutumucyona habasanzwe za Facebook page ya Radio West gana katumizi FM na channel live kandi nashaka natekaho ikitekateko cyawe inachoka na kumbuza inachoka na kumanyaho ntiza kuba ntuchikugaruka abo kubarya kandi tunena posta yitu nayo niyo post yitu no basateka yo ikibuzo ninga cyo kwenda kugamba hamwe shongo zogu na chanti ya kwantukireba so byona ndakora Facebook page igana katonyezi FM anaje kuba no tubona ko bazinonga mutahi wanje iwe tureba no turikiza all right nzabanza zo engineer kandi abazegere byatusiyaho ndikwaje no kombe kandi zakubantuka na Pretty Imak.